Good morning to all the participants. Welcome. We'll be starting the inauguration shortly. We are just waiting for the guest of honor to join. After he joins, we'll start the program. Make sure everyone's mic and camera is off for now. We are going to open that for the question answer session afterwards. Thank you.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Yes. We are ready to start, sir. Yes. A very good morning to all the esteemed dignitaries, respectful faculty members, industry professionals, research scholars, and my dear students for joining us today for the online short-term training program cum faculty development program on structural resilience of high-rise buildings and bridges. It is a matter of great pride for us to bring together experts and learners from various domains to discuss, share, and gain insights into the cutting-edge technologies and various practices in structural engineering. Let us begin today's program with a warm welcome to all the dignitaries and the participants present. To mark the commencement of our program, let me first invite Dr. Archana Dongre ma'am, the program coordinator of the event, to provide an overview of this STTP from FDP and its objectives. Over to you, ma'am.
A very good morning and a warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest Professor Ramanchala Pradeep Kumar Sir, Principal of Vidyavardhinis College of Engineering, Dr. Rakesh Himte Sir, dear faculty members, participants. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the online short-term training program cum faculty development program on structural resilience of high-rise buildings and bridges, approved by the Indian Society of Technical Education and in collaboration with the Indian Society of Structural Engineers and the Indian Society of Earthquake Technology, organized by the Department of Civil Engineering, Vidyavardhinis College of Engineering and Technology, Vasai. We are deeply honored and grateful to our dear patrons who have always inspired us with their vision and dedication. Honorable Mr. Arun Vatak Sir, Chief Patron and guiding force behind Vidyavardhinis Trust. Honorable Mr. Vikas Vatak Sir, President of Vidyavardhinis Trust, Vasai. Dr. Rakesh Himte Sir, Principal of VCET Vasai, for his continuous encouragement, motivation, and leadership. About the institute, Vidyavardhini is a body committed to enhancement of knowledge. Vidyavardhini was established as a registered society in 1970 by late Padma Shri Bahusaheb Vatak for the noble cause of education in rural areas. Vidyavardhini Society received approval from AICTE to start the new College of Engineering and Technology with effect from July 1994. The college is affiliated to the University of Mumbai for the 4-year degree program leading to the degree of Bachelor of Engineering, PG program, Structural Engineering and Master of Management Studies. Civil Engineering Department started in the academic year of 2013-14 with an initial intake of 60 students, and it also got accreditation by NBA. We also have ME in Structural Engineering program. About this STTP, the program aims to provide a comprehensive exploration of structural resilience techniques focusing on high-rise buildings and bridges, essential components in modern infrastructure. With the increasing prevalence of natural calamities, especially earthquakes, it is imperative for civil engineers, academicians, and professionals to gain a deeper understanding of designing and analyzing structures that prioritize safety, stability, and durability. The program encompasses a series of expert-led sessions covering critical topics from the fundamentals of high-rise building design to advanced earthquake engineering practices. Participants will dwell into key areas such as earthquake safety assessment, remedial measures like base isolation, codal provisions specific to tall buildings as per IS 16700, and the latest advancement in structural modeling and analysis tools like ETABS. Special focus will also be placed on emerging concepts, including probabilistic seismic hazard assessment, structural health monitoring for bridges, and the dynamic analysis of bridge structures. We are privileged to have eminent speakers who are renowned academicians and leading experts in the field of structural engineering and earthquake resilience. Professor Ramanchala Pradeep Kumar Sir, Director of CBRI Roorkee, Professor Vasant Matsagar Sir, IIT Delhi, Professor Abhay Bambole, VJTI Mumbai, Mr. Prabhakar Gundlapalli Sir, Associate Director, NPCIL Mumbai, Mr. BP Karamchandani Sir, Founder and CEO of mbdad.com, Dr. PV Dilip Kumar Sir, Associate Professor, Mahindra University, Dr. Vasudev Chaudhary from PDPU Gandhinagar, Dr. Najib Sharif Sir from IIT Bombay, Mr. Bhushan Raisinghani, Manager Structural Design, Godrej Construction, Dr. Pulkit Vilani from Midas, Dr. Mr. Tajul Islam from IIT Roorkee. So I welcome everyone for this. We hope that this training equips participants with cutting-edge knowledge to design resilient structures and effectively address modern challenges in structural engineering. I'm also delighted to announce that we have received an overwhelming response with around 175 participants, and still registrations are going on, which includes researchers, academicians, students, and industry professionals across the country. And we do have international participants as well from Vietnam, Nepal, and UAE. This speaks the volume about the topic's relevance and importance in today's civil engineering landscape. Today marks the beginning of a journey into the critical aspect of structural resilience. We will discuss cutting-edge technologies and practices that enhance the safety and stability of high-rise buildings and bridges. This is an excellent opportunity for all of us to learn from the best and enrich our knowledge in the field. So it's a warm welcome to all dear participants. Excellent participation we got, and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the insightful introduction of the program. Moving ahead, it is my honor to invite Dr. Rakesh Himte sir, Principal of Vidyavardhinis College of Engineering and Technology, Vasai, to address the attendees, welcome our guest of honor, Professor Ramanchala Pradeep Kumar sir, and share his thoughts on this initiative. Over to you, sir.
Well, good morning. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Rakesh Himte, Principal of Vidyavardhinis College of Engineering and Technology. On behalf of the institution and my own behalf, I welcome the Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Pradeep Kumar sir. Sir, welcome, sir. I extend my warm welcome to all the invited guest speakers. They will be joining us as per the schedule, and the most important, the participants. I am very happy to learn that around 175 participants, they already registered for the short-term training program on the most demanded topic that is related to the related to the structural resilience of high-rise buildings and bridges. So I'm basically the man of mechanical engineering, but my association with civil engineering is from my childhood. Actually, my family business is in the construction side. So I'm observing the technologies being changing day by day. So we have started our business from the manual excavation, and then we are observing that the various automatic machines, they are being employed in the civil industry also. So it is very much important to update our knowledge and skills, and that will be passed on to our students. So this short-term training program is very important for the faculty, and I hope that these insights and the delivering of these sessions that will be helpful to bridge the curriculum gap. I know this Vidyavardhini is an affiliated institution, and it is related to the Mumbai University. We have some certain constraints about the curriculum, not like IITs and NITs and some other autonomous institutions and some private universities, because they have some autonomy to bridge the gap as per the industry need and the requirements. So still we have some constraint about the curriculum, but this particular kind of initiatives that will be useful for the bridging the curricular gap and giving the advancements to our students through the faculty development program. I personally appeal all the faculty members or that particular participant who are participating in this short-term training program So involve yourself as a student for next 1 week. It is not just for the attending the program for certification kind of thing, but it's a personal request as a senior professor. So try to be in a learning mode for next 1 week. And we are very much fortunate to have with our director from CV, Dr. Pradeep Kumar sir, and other invited speakers from the reputed universities and the institutions of national importance. So I wish you all the best, and I'm very much happy and congratulates my civil engineering department for taking this initiative and organizing such a wonderful workshop. So thank you very much and all the best. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your encouraging words. Now I would request Dr. Archana Domre ma'am to welcome and introduce our honorable chief guest, Professor Ramanchala Pradeep Kumar. Over to you, ma'am.
Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. Before I go to sir's introduction, I'm really honored that sir is my guide and I got excellent guidance from sir during my MS and PhD. I feel really fortunate to get excellent the PhD time, which is so crucial for everybody's life from sir. So coming to sir's academic, sir did PhD in 2001 from the University of Tokyo, Japan. MTech in 1997 from IIT Kanpur and BTech in 1995 from Vasai College of Engineering, Hyderabad. He's a structural engineer with more than 25 years of experience in teaching, research, and administration. His areas of specialization are the nonlinear behavior of structures and earthquake safety assessment of buildings. He guided the doctoral thesis for 17 students and published 125 journal papers. He has been a member of post-earthquake reconnaissance team, uh, including the NDMA Authority Government of India, which surveyed earthquake affected areas after the 2001 Bhuj earthquake, 2004 Sumatra earthquake, 2011 Sikkim, and 2013 Doda, and 2015 Nepal earthquakes. He is a panel member of IS 456, IS 1340, and a member of Earthquake Engineering Sectional, National Building Code, and ISC Bridge Standards and Specification Committee. He is the Working Group Chair for the Development of Code on Post-Earthquake Safety Assessment of Buildings. His notable contribution as Director CSIR CBRI Roorkee, he led the NDMA team for conducting post-disaster needs assessment survey in 2024 Telangana floods. He led the NDMA team for conducting post-disaster needs survey along with KSDMA in 2024 Wayanad Kerala landslide disaster. He visited the area when the issue was at the peak, led the team of 11 institutes, survey of all the buildings, around 4,000 buildings, safe demolition of precarious buildings, post-disaster need assessment and relocation plan in 2023 Joshimath lands subsidence crisis. He conceived a mission mode project on climate resilience buildings. He mentored the analysis and design of main temple and optomechanical design of Surya Tilak for Ram Mandir at Ayodhya. He coordinated the transferred. He coordinated transferred 41 technologies on a single day on 24th November 2023 in Technology Transfer Mela. His notable contributions as researchers. He contributed to the development of BI standards IS 13935-2024, post-earthquake safety assessment of buildings BI standards IS 18289-2023. He contributed for a primer on rapid visual survey in 2020. National report on earthquake disaster risk indexing in cities, towns in 2019. He established Earthquake Engineering Research Center at IIIT Hyderabad in 2003. And he started Computer Aided Structural Engineering Master's Program in IIIT Hyderabad. His notable contributions as teacher, his NPTEL course on structural dynamics, around 50 lectures are there, and it is very popular course among the civil and structural engineering UG and PG students. He launched extensive, persistent, and multi-year efforts to encourage the ICT, the UGC, and the state government of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh to appreciate the importance of incorporating the human value course in technical education. Now the Universal Human Value course is the essential part of the UGC curriculum. So it's my great honor, sir, to invite you on this day, and I'm so thankful that you have accepted our invitation and agreed to give the session for our participants. Thank you, sir. Now it's over to you. I request you to kindly give the inaugural talk as a chief guest and also start with the session because you have a limited time. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Archana, for detailed introduction. And first of all, I am really thankful to Vidyavardhini. Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. So first of all, I'm thankful to Vidyavardhini College of Engineering and Technology, and also Professor Rakesh ji, Principal of the college, and Civil Engineering Department for inviting me to deliver this lecture. And I'm sure most of the people who are attending are students, and maybe some are from industry. So to tell you about the brief on this kind of workshops, technologies are coming in very fast manner, and we need to catch up. And industry is going in a very fast pace, and there is a requirement. And also in academic institutions, we need to go hand in hand with this kind of technologies. Unfortunately, what's happening in the practice is many technologies which are untested coming into infrastructure, or especially particularly building construction. Now, everything will be fine unless disaster occurs. The moment disaster occurs, any event, you take a cyclone, or you take floods or earthquake or any other disaster, and many of these buildings which are unsafe will definitely collapse, and it will lead to life loss, property loss, and business loss. So whenever a disaster is occurring, we are facing like the problem of managing the emergency situation, and also at the same time, thus that city or that town is going back a decade in its developmental activities. And also the problem is it will have a huge impact on country's economy also. So these are some of my views. So what I'm encouraging everyone to understand the repercussions of not using the technology which is properly tested, certified, and standardized. Because in civil engineering, especially when it comes to construction, consequences of damage are very severe. So every day, say you take an example of say latest technology as a mobile phone. If mobile phone is not working, you will immediately go to the shop and say that it is not working. But when it comes to civil engineering structure, it is not like that. So it will work for some time, but when disaster occurs, there will be huge loss. So that's why we need to understand. Now, what I'm going to tell today is a story of about 15 years. How the idea can be conceived, and how you convince people and funding agencies to fund that problem. And then after that, you will not achieve the desired result. So again, further research is needed. Like the 2-3 attempts how we make, and after that you convince government that a standard is needed, and also integrate it with the technology. So it's one journey of about I can say easily which started in 2008 and almost reached its climax in 2023. So that is the kind of journey I'm going to share with you. So most of the students, please try to keep one goal, very high goal. So whatever may be the problem, and then do hard work and also perseverance. So these things are very important to reach the desired level.